video. It doesn't do anything.
Yeah, needs a new.
Yeah, I just tap that and that's like when this drains, I tried tightening it, but then it just, I don't know if you saw a picture I sent, but it's just not even connected.
Yeah, I see. I see. Go ahead, turn it on right now.
He had pushed in like the containers I use under the sink, and it had hit one of the buttons.
Pretend that I am weightless, and in this moment I am happy.
Turn left.
Riding with my twin and up, and we all look good. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. I had to look her up. Both you, y'all think that's a scissor.
Pay your personal or business back taxes. You can now get the help you to see if you qualify and to get this important news as I can. CT's here, and you heard right. Boost Mobile is giving you the power to save. For a limited time, get the iPhone SE on us at your local Boost Mobile store. That's an iPhone SE for $0. Zero. I don't know. More like a holiday miracle. Seriously.
Another one is meant for you. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at